We're covering Colorado's weather tonight. Here's a live look from our Lookout Mountain Cam. Another storm has moved into Colorado, bringing cold and snow. Let's get to meteorologist Dave Aguilera. Dave?
Snowing pretty good in the foothills. We've just had flurries here in town, but we are covered in cold across Colorado tonight. A lot of the temperatures are below freezing, especially up here to the northeast and into the mountains as well. And that's all running into moisture that's flowing around this Las Vegas low, which is coming together here now. So we're seeing snow start to ramp up in the mountains and along the Front Range, where we've got a really good upslope going on here. And you can see it's kind of just zeroed in right on the Denver and the Front Range in and near the Denver metro area, all the way up through Cheyenne here. Earlier, we had some bouts of snow when this thing started right along I-25 out of Wyoming. They had to close the highway because of accidents up there. Now, the heaviest of the snow looks to be congregating right around Boulder, down into Jefferson County. You see the blue shading there, right along C-470 and 93 out here. Some pretty good snow as that easterly wind is just kind of pushing it right up against the area. So if you do have to travel anywhere in Jefferson County, Boulder County within the next couple hours, I think it's going to be rather rough. I would put it off if you could. It's really tough on the west side of town right now. Now, I put several lows here. Here's where the low is right now. It is expected by the time it gets to Tuesday to track across northern Arizona, back into the Four Corners area, and then eventually making into northern New Mexico. So this is the first wave coming through tonight. And then when that low, by the time we get into Monday and Tuesday, arrives around the Four Corners, we'll have another surge of moisture coming in. So 2 waves of snow really for our area. By the time we get to Tuesday afternoon, southern Colorado looks to be the big player for snow amounts. From Colorado Springs, Pueblo down in the southeast, about 4 to 9 inches of snow there in the purple shaded area. Winter weather advisory. In the pink, this is a winter storm warning where some of the Sangre de Cristos could wind up with 1 to 2 feet of snow, as well as the San Juans. And again, it's going to happen tonight, all day Monday, and then most of the day Tuesday. It's not just going to all happen tonight. It's going to be a prolonged event, and the Futurecast shows that. So tonight, we've got the waves coming through the Denver metro area in the Front Range here. Snow down to the southeast and in the mountains. That's the map at 11 o'clock tonight. We'll have a little bit of snow off and on throughout the night. Maybe some snow in the morning for us tomorrow, but you can see the heaviest snow still comes down in the south. And then in the middle of the day tomorrow, a weak surge of dry air comes in here in the east. 5 o'clock, the second surge comes in, and that'll push through overnight Monday into Tuesday and give us some snow for Tuesday morning as well. As I said, 2 waves coming through to add up to the snow amounts we're looking at. Overnight lows tonight, below 0 in the mountains. We'll be in the single digits and some teens across the eastern plains. So a very cold night tonight. And our highs tomorrow will only be in the teens over most of eastern Colorado. Single digits, teens and 20s in the mountains. And the west might make it into the 30s tomorrow. We're looking at about 35 in Grand Junction. So tonight, about 1 to 2 inches of snow in the metro area for the early morning commute tomorrow. 3 to 6 in the foothills. Overnight lows will be in the single digits. Then tomorrow, we'll have another 1 to 2 inches of snow at the end of the day, and teens only in the teens for the high. 19 downtown is what we're looking at, 17 at the airport. And then Tuesday, a little more light snow, 21 degrees, and then we finally get back to freezing on Wednesday and should make it into the middle 30s by Thursday and Friday. So I think the only saving grace tomorrow might be that it's a holiday and
for some
people might stay home. So
yeah, I think that's a good thing, especially with the snow all over the roads and the slick conditions. All right, Dave, thanks. Well, a push to eliminate plastic straws is in the state.